The agouti, a small to medium-sized rodent belonging to the genus Dasyprocta, is a creature of intrigue and fascination found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. With its distinctive appearance, diverse species, and remarkable ecological role, the agouti has captured the attention of scientists, ecologists, and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The genus Dasyprocta encompasses a variety of agouti species, each displaying unique characteristics that contribute to their remarkable adaptability in different ecosystems. From the Central American agouti to the Brazilian agouti, these rodents exhibit a range of coat colors, sizes, and habits. Taxonomists continue to refine our understanding of agouti diversity, as new species are occasionally discovered, highlighting the need for ongoing research to fully comprehend the complexity of this rodent family. Agoutis are recognized for their distinctive appearance, with a body length ranging from 50 to 76 centimeters and a bushy tail that can measure up to half the length of their body. Their fur varies in color, ranging from shades of brown and gray to reddish hues, providing effective camouflage within their natural habitats. One of the most notable features of agoutis is their oversized hind legs, which are adapted for rapid and agile movements, aiding in their survival against predators. Additionally, the agoutis' incisors are ever-growing, a common trait in rodents, allowing them to continuously gnaw on various plant materials. Agoutis are highly adaptable rodents, occupying a diverse array of ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, savannas, and grasslands. Their distribution spans from Mexico to Argentina, with each species demonstrating a preference for specific habitats within this extensive range. These rodents play a crucial role in shaping their ecosystems by participating in seed dispersal, influencing plant diversity, and promoting forest regeneration. Agoutis are primarily diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, with a distinctive foraging behavior that revolves around their role as seed dispersers. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation. The agoutis' impressive ability to crack open hard-shelled seeds contributes to the dispersal of various plant species, influencing the composition and structure of their habitats. In terms of reproduction, agoutis typically form monogamous pairs, with both parents actively participating in the care of their offspring. The gestation period is relatively short, and agoutis give birth to well-developed young. Observing the family dynamics and social structure of agoutis provides valuable insights into their intricate relationships and the strategies they employ for survival in their often challenging environments. Despite their adaptability and ecological significance, agouti populations face various threats that impact their survival. Habitat destruction, hunting for bushmeat, and the encroachment of human activities into their natural habitats pose significant challenges to agouti populations. Conservation efforts must address these issues, emphasizing habitat protection, sustainable management practices, and community involvement to ensure the long-term viability of agouti populations and the ecosystems they inhabit.